kids, how are you? I am very happy to see you again through this video. Today I am going to teach you not a lesson for you. Today I am going to teach you an interesting activity. So let's go to the activity. So look at that. What the boy is having in his hand? Yes, the boy is having a yummy mango. So it is very yummy, no? When you will take the mango, it will very yummy to taste. Yes. So all are like that mango? Yes, all are like that mango. Not only mango, we all are like all fruits, because the fruits is giving us vitamins and minerals. Okay. Now I ask you the one questions. Now the boy is having that mango, so he just eat the fleshy part of the mango, and then he keep on going to eating that mango. He find out one final hard part of the mango. What is that hard part? Yes, the hard part of the mango is a seed. That is a seed of the mango. Yes, is it seed? So what is called seed? Yes, the seed is the inner part of the every fruits, so it is always inside the fruits and vegetables. Can you guess it? If you are eating any fruits, for example, mango, watermelon, cucumber, and vegetables like tomato, chili, and etc. Okay, now let's see you an example. So let's see the boy having a mango fruit. In that mango fruit, he has find that a hard part of the seed. Okay. Now he have it the mango fruit fully, and then he throw out the seed part outside. So the seed part throw the outside, and it will fell down on the ground. So after a few days, the seed germinate to give a new plant, and the plant will germinate as a big tree, and then the big tree will give you the many more yummy mangoes. So like that, the seed will having a life in it. So before that, inside the fruit, the seed is in the dormant stage. That means inactive and sleepy mode. That is called the dormant stage. So now one example, that means one demo for you. So now we are going to the activity. Okay kids, now you go into a kitchen, and do you have a teacup like this and any other cup like the mushroom cup or any other waste water bottle do you have in your home? You just take the plastic bottles and you just fill into the half cup of the teacup a soil. Okay, you just fill it a half cup of a soil into the teacup. Now you go to your kitchen and take some seeds like the spices like mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and the cereals like wheat or green gram, black gram, or any other Bengal gram. You just take it. Or fruity seeds like watermelon seeds, cucumber seeds, or mango seeds, or chili seeds, any other seeds, you now take it, and then you just put the seeds into that soil. And you want to do one help for me, that is, you just gently spray a little water on that soil at morning and evening. That's all. That is a simple work you do because for me. Okay. Now observe the seeds 2 days. After 2 days, you will see a new little tiny baby plant will come out from the seed. After seeing that plant, you feel very happy, no? Yes, I know that feelings because I am also feel that feeling. It will give very happiness to us, and we feel very joyful because of to see that seeds give rise to a new plant, because we only giving the seeds a new life. Before, you are being in your home means you are not do anything. These like of activities means the seed will be remain the same as your mom keep in your home. But now you take that seeds and you just give the life of the seeds. So because of you, by you, the seed will germinate to give a new plant. So these type of activities will make us very happy and very interesting to do a activity like this. So past 3 months you are in your home because of the lockdown. So you are wake upping and take bathing and take breakfast and sleeping and watching TV and then going to the sleep. So this is your routine work, do you know? Yes, I know that this is your routine work. But after that, after seeing this video, you just do a help for me to do this little activity. If you are doing this little activity means it will give you a more profit. Not only the profit for you, but also the profit for all over the world. Because if you give a plant a new life means the plant will be give you the new uses. So kids, now you are giving a new life to the seed. So the seed will very happy now. So likewise you are also very happy now. Now let us do one experiment. Just you take a 2 teacup. The first one teacup you just put a. The second one you just write a B. Okay. Now you filled it in the teacup half of the soil into it. And so both of the teacup you filled it half of the soil. So after that you just take a mustard seed in your kitchen. Your mom having that mustard seed. So you take that mustard seed and put it some grams of mustard seed in a cup A and another some grams of mustard seed in cup B. Now you just spray gently a water to the A cup and keep it aside the sunlight. Okay. So after that you don't pour a water to that B cup. You just fill the soil and just you put it the mustard seed and keep it aside in a dark room. Okay. Now after 2 days you go and see what you'll observe. What difference is it in cup A and cup B? Yes, let's see. The cup A will give rise to a new plant because the seed will get soil and water. And what happened to the cup B we are keeping at the dark room? Yes, you see that the cup B there is nothing else. Yes, the cup B is how you put the seeds that remain the same only. Why? Because it is remain the same. Because you just give the soil to that seed. But soil is not only the important factor for the seeds to giving a new plant. The seed wants another important factor of water. Yes, the water is an important factor of the seed to give to germinate. Yes, and also the cup A is you keep aside under sunlight so that only the seed also want sunlight to give germinate. And that you see the cup B there you just keep the cup at the dark room only. In the dark room there is no sunlight. So without the sunlight the seed can't able to germinate as a new plant. So now what we learned from that experiment? Yes, from that experiment we learned a simple seed will need a proper conditions to get a new plant. Yes, so what are the conditions? Let's see. The first one is the seed needs soil. The second one is the seeds needs water. The third one is the important factor is the sunlight. Yes, sunlight is the important factor for the seed to give rise to a new plant. So these all factors you will be give the seeds properly means the seed will be grown very fastly, healthiest. Why the soil is needed for the seed? Because in that soil there is a lot of nutrients and minerals there. So the seed absorbs the minerals and nutrients and water from the soil, and also the seed want sunlight because of to make a food for themselves. Do you know how the seeds will make the food? Yes, the seeds absorb minerals and water from the soil, and it take sunlight from the sun, and it absorbs air, that means carbon dioxide from the air. The seed also breathe like us. We breathe oxygen, but instead of that, the seed breathe carbon dioxide. After the seed give rise to a new plant, the plant will having to synthesize a food for their growth. Yes. So now let us see that development of the new plant from the seed is called the seed germination. So in this video we learned the seed germination, how the seed will germinate to give rise to a new plant, and what are the important factors the seed needs to give rise to a new plant. Yes, okay. Well students, in this video we learnt about that seed germination. Okay, now let's see the definition of the seed germination. What is called seed germination? The development of a new plant from the seed after their dormant stage, with the seed get a proper conditions such as soil, sunlight and water. These are called seed germination. So what is called seed germination? The development of a new plant from a seed when it got a proper conditions such as sunlight, water and air, soil is called seed germination. Okay kids, now let us learn from the lesson. What you have learned? If you plant more trees in the world means it will very useful for you, your family, your country, the world will get a benefit. So like that, if you plant more trees means the trees grown very fast and it will make you very happy. So you feel yourself very happy and also you make others happy. Okay. Now let's go and do this activity today itself. Okay students, thank you. Will you see you in another video.